Subscribe to the Vedanta Vision YouTube channel and tap the bell icon. You'll get notified whenever we upload a new inspirational video.
Now you assess people, when you go out into the world and interact with people, you assess people by what? Largely physical appearance. What kind of clothes are you wearing? Are you wearing designer clothes? Are you wearing fashionable clothes? Are you not wearing fashionable clothes? Physical appearance. A few people go beyond the physical appearance and look at the emotions. Do you have good emotions? Do you have bad emotions? Are you a good-natured person? Etc. Still fewer people are able to go beyond and focus on the intellect. What kind of knowledge do you have? Do you have clarity of thinking, or are you a foolish person? And a person with clarity, like a brilliant lawyer or a brilliant doctor, is intolerant of people who can't understand. You go to a specialist doctor and the patient asks stupid questions. The doctor gets highly irritated. But what we need to understand is all these are essentially divine. Irrespective of whether you're well dressed or not, whether you have fine emotions or not, whether you have clarity of thinking or not. A divine, Mahatma is one who's able to zero in on Atman and say, completely disregards the externals. And what a state. Can you imagine? Just the thought of Atman. I don't know whether these lectures are helping you or not, but they're certainly helping me. Every morning I wake up and I'm on top of the world. So appearances are deceptive, You can't go by physical appearance. You can't go by, sometimes the finest of people express themselves in strange ways. I know of a person who constantly would scream and shout, but his shouting and screaming meant nothing to the listeners, whether it was servants or employees or driver or even family members. They only laughed because they knew there was no venom in that shouting. So the most affectionate people sometimes express themselves in strange ways. You've got to have that affection to be able to understand it. Similarly, intellectual clarity, people who are the brainiest, the most brilliant people, appear to be insignificant. So you've got to be of that caliber to understand the brilliance of such a person. They are not necessarily dressed in the finest of suits. So this is it. You assess people by the wrong measures. And what happens is, if you are of Rakshasi and Asurim nature, traits, that means Rajasic and Tamasic, you make mistakes. It is only if you are a Daivim nature, if you have this Daivim nature, that you are able to spot brilliance. You are able to spot the best of people. Otherwise, the best of people come and go. They come stare you in the face and you are unable to recognize greatness. Even to recognize greatness, you need to be blessed with greatness yourself.